Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Whiteboard in Zoom for discussing pros and cons in a meeting. First, you have to be in a Zoom meeting. Here, I'm using my phone. And then on the bottom of your screen, look for Whiteboard option. I'm going to scroll left first and then click Whiteboard. Then you click here for searching for Whiteboard templates. Next, you can choose this Pro and Cons Whiteboard over here. Just click on it and then click Use Template. Next, you can choose whether everyone can be collaborative all together to fill this whiteboard, or you can fill the whiteboard first all by yourself and then present it for later. But for this brainstorming agenda together, I will use collaborative. And then click Create. Wait until Zoom processing your whiteboard. And then the Pro and Cons whiteboard will be displayed in your meeting. You can click on a column to type, edit, and brainstorm together with your team. So, thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video, leave a comment if you have something you want to share to us or have a question you want to ask to us, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in other tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.